Hello, it's your favorite gardening, farming, and DIY guy. I am Will, and I am in a goat shed today, and I'm going to introduce you to one of the issues that I have in my goat shed. Ladies and gentlemen, flooding issues. This is the fence around the goat shed, and whenever it rains, we're currently in the raining season, and whenever it rains, we have this. Actually, today is not the worst of the days, but because of this, the animals are not able to come into the yard when it rains, and so I have to find a solution for it. I asked around, and we've been gathering advice, and we've been brainstorming, and the advice that we got was to build a trench, some sort of a trench around this area, because this is where it floods the most. So we're going to build a trench and allow the water, all the water that floods this area. So it floods all over, and sometimes it goes into the shed as well. So we want to, let me show you. So this is the area. Say hello to the camera, say hello, say hello. Hello ladies. So this is the ladies area. This is where the ladies and the kids, this area is where the kids will be staying, and we're going to fence it so that the kids will stay here away from their mummies. And we have to solve the issue of flooding, because flooding can also cause a lot of diseases. So we'll build a trench and allow the water to collect in the trench. They're currently relaxing and eating something. Because it rained, they're not that active. This is where the kids are currently staying. This is where they are. These are our newborns. These are the newborns. So these are our newborns. Two of them. These are twins. I think one is hiding under beneath this bench thingy. And this one also had twins. These are also twins. And this one is also a twin. I don't know where the other ones are, but this is also a twin. This one is a triplet, but unfortunately he lost all of his sisters, two sisters, and he's the only one left. All right, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please continue to like, share, comment, and also hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any of my new videos and updates and contents. Until I see you again, it's your favorite gardening, farming, and DIY guy. I am Will, and I'm going to introduce you to the king. And until I see you again, it's me and the king. This is the king right here. Say hello to the camera. Hello, king. Say hello to the camera. Hello. Say hello to the camera. And bye-bye. Until I see you again, it's me and the king.